Vinyl windows are popular for their durability, low maintenance, and ability to perform well over time. However, the lifespan of vinyl windows depends on more than just the materials. They rely heavily on proper installation. Even high-quality windows can fall short if they aren't installed correctly. For homeowners in Redmond, professional installation plays a critical role in extending the life and performance of vinyl windows. Why installation quality matters. Vinyl windows are designed to fit precisely within an opening. If measurements are off or the frame isn't properly secured, the window can experience stress that affects its structure. In Redmond homes, improper installation may lead to early wear, operational issues, or gaps that allow air and moisture to enter. These problems often shorten the window's lifespan and reduce comfort. Preventing frame warping and stress. Vinyl is strong but flexible. When installed unevenly or under pressure, the frame can warp over time. Proper installation ensures vinyl windows are level and square within the opening. For Redmond homeowners, this prevents unnecessary stress on the frame, helping windows maintain their shape and function for years. Maintaining tight seals over time. Seals around vinyl windows are essential for blocking air and moisture. Poor installation can compromise these seals from day one. With proper installation, seals remain intact and effective. Redmond homeowners benefit from windows that continue to reduce drafts and moisture intrusion throughout their lifespan. Supporting smooth window operation. Windows that stick, drag, or refuse to stay open are often victims of poor installation rather than product defects. Proper installation ensures vinyl windows open and close smoothly. In Redmond homes, this ease of operation reduces wear on moving parts, helping windows last longer without frequent repairs. Protecting against moisture damage. Moisture is one of the biggest threats to window longevity. If water enters around the frame, it can damage surrounding materials and affect window performance. Professional installation includes proper moisture management. For Redmond homeowners, this means water is directed away from the window, protecting both the window and the surrounding structure. Reducing the need for repairs. Poorly installed windows often require adjustments or fixes early on. These repeated repairs can shorten the window's useful life. Vinyl windows installed correctly from the start experience fewer issues. Redmond homeowners enjoy long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Preserving insulation performance. Vinyl windows are designed to insulate effectively. Gaps caused by improper installation reduce this benefit. Proper installation ensures insulation works as intended. In Redmond homes, this supports consistent indoor comfort while protecting the window's long-term performance. Maintaining structural stability. Windows are part of the home's structural envelope. Improper installation can affect both the window and the surrounding wall. Professional installation ensures vinyl windows are securely anchored. Redmond homeowners benefit from stable windows that withstand daily use and environmental changes. Enhancing overall value and reliability. Well-installed windows maintain their appearance and function longer. This adds value to the home and reduces future concerns. Redmond homeowners appreciate vinyl windows that continue to perform reliably without frequent attention or unexpected issues. A smart investment in longevity. Choosing vinyl windows is only half the decision. The installation matters just as much. For homeowners in Redmond, proper installation extends the life of vinyl windows by preventing stress, maintaining seals, protecting against moisture, and supporting smooth operation. The result is a durable, comfortable window solution that delivers reliable performance year after year, making professional installation a smart and lasting investment.